To assign a playlist to a specific TV or TVs at your church, we need to use something called a tag. A tag allows for a specific playlist to go to specific TVs at your church. So how do you do that? On the left-hand side, you will see a mint bar. The third option down will say Screen. Please select that. At the top left-hand corner, it will then say Screen Manager. From there, you will see all of your Apple TVs appear here. From there, we can create a tag. You can name the tags whatever you like, but most common examples are elementary, preschool, preteen, next steps, digital signage, etc. Think of it as the spaces that you plan to use Playlister at your church. Please note that your church may have already created tags for you. From there, you can assign these respective tag or tags to your TVs by selecting the TV, pressing the fourth option Tags, pressing Add Tag, and adding all the respective tags that you would like in that classroom. Let's say this classroom is dual purpose for both elementary and preschool, so we'll add both tags. Select out of it. Go to Playlist now at the top left-hand corner once completed. And now we can assign this playlist to only show up in the elementary classroom. The way you do that is by going to the top left-hand corner of the middle panel, pressing the Add Tag button, selecting Elementary, removing the All Screens tag, and now it will only go to the classroom or rooms with that respective tag.